voice. By Double Click Academy. From the hills of Kabale to Karamoja Plains, from West Nile sunsets to Busoga rains, we remember our journey, the tears and the fight. How darkness once ruled, how we prayed for the light. Oh, Uganda, my mother, your children agree. The future is brighter when the land is free. Let the drum beat slow, let the words be clear. This season's for hope, not danger or fear. Ballots, not bullets, voices, not chains. Ideas in manifestos, not anger and pain. Peace in our hearts, truth in our say. Uganda rises when we choose a better way. Aborting me, harassing, iporotoi, mereirikoi. Aomi sokoto maina penakon, mere anyunyura keda apipilu. Eina parking kotoma ota one walk, abetit kotoma oinan walk. Epoloni Uganda ne sekunia, oni erot lolo ajoka. Obululu simasasi, amalobozi sinjegere. Ebiro ozo mu manifesito, sibusungu na bulumi emirembe mu mitima jafe. Amazima mubai tugera, Uganda emukabwe tulonda ekubo edungi. Leaders come forward with vision and plan. Talk schools, talk hospitals, talk the common man. Not insults and threats, not fire in the tongue. For power is service, not who shouts loudest or strong. Let promises be written, let actions be seen. Development is born where honesty has been. Ballots, not bullets, justice, not fear. A peaceful election makes progress appear. Hands not fists, minds not rage. The nation move forward when wisdom takes stage. Aborting men, they're assassin. Iporotoi, meririkoi. Aomi sokoto maina penakon. Mere anyunyura keda apipilu. Aina parking kotoma ota one walk. Abetit kotoma oiner walk. Epolori Uganda neise kunia. Oni elozi majoka. Obululu simasasi. Amalobozi sinjegere. Ebiro ozo mu manifesito, sibusungu na bulumi emirembe mu mitima jafe. Amazima mubai tugera, Uganda emukabwe tulonda ekubo edungi. Army and police, guardians of the land, stand firm in the law with a neutral hand. Protect every citizen, red, yellow or blue. The uniform stands for the nation, not a few. Order without violence, strength without hate. Justice is the shield that secures the state. Vote my brother, vote my sister. Your vote is your voice, there's none that is wiser. Don't sell tomorrow for money today. Respect every choice, let democracy stay. No tribe is a ladder, no tribe is a wall. We rise as one people or we stumble and fall. Vote buying poisons the roots of the land. It kills the nation with a soft smiling hand. Remember our past, the lessons it gave, and choose the road that makes future generations brave. Ballots, not bullets, peace in the air. Fairness and freedom, a country that cares. From where we've been to where we go, Uganda develops when love is the law. Let peace be our campaign, unity our song. For Uganda tomorrow depends on what we do today.